Hey guys, Trevor here to break down the must-have accessory for any monitor or desktop, the Lume monitor light bar. It helps reduce eye strain, lights up your workspace, and sets the mood for productivity. Also, it doesn't hurt that this screen bar looks great. It is an easy and affordable way to level up your workspace. Let's get into how to use it. When you receive your screen bar, open the box and you'll see the screen bar itself and the USB-C power cable. Go ahead and insert the USB-C cable into the back of your light bar, then mount the screen bar to the top of your display. Set the monitor light bar nice and centered on the top of your screen. Then use the back counterweight and rest it against the back of your display so it balances like so. Insert the other end of the power cable into a USB-A port. These are typically available on the back of a monitor, side of a laptop, or on the back of an edge light. You can always plug into a wall outlet using a power block. Once you're plugged in, locate the Lume logo on the right side of the bar. This is where you'll operate your light. Tap once to turn the light on, twist the knob clockwise to turn up the brightness. Tap the knob once again to adjust the warmth of your light. Twist counterclockwise to warm up the light and clockwise to cool down the light. Tap and hold to turn your light off. Now, if you're a gadget person like me and you want to wirelessly control your light bar, we've created a wireless remote which is sold separately. Simply mount this remote to a place on your desk within arm's reach to wirelessly control and operate your lighting. To pair your remote to the light bar, plug in your light bar to power, and within 10 seconds, hold down on the remote's button until your light bar flashes. These same exact controls apply to the wireless remote as the onboard control knob that we talked about earlier. We've installed a tilt head on top of the monitor light bar so you can adjust the angle of which it lights up your screen and your desk. Keep in mind, you want your light bar to shine the light downward, and you should not see the naked LEDs when you look at the light. They should be blocked by that front ledge so they don't distract you while you're working. Well, there you have it, a breakdown of how to use the Lume monitored light bar. If you have any further questions we didn't cover today, send us a message on social, reach out to support@lumecube.com, or comment in our Lume community group on Facebook. We'll see you next time.